Okay, so this is the big day. Hopefully we're going to get the engine started today. I'm going through my checklist here, and that should be it. So that's the process. We're going to roll it out. I'm going to put the nose out into the driveway. I'm going to leave the tail in the garage. I got my truck kind of blocking the driveway. I've got two friends coming over. Their trucks are going to block the driveway.
Idle check. Roll.
Ignition is in. Gas is on. Master switch is on. Mixture is rich. Throttle is open a little more than a quarter. Mixture's lean. Clear prop. We got engine start. Had a little bit of problem with the idle and some of the idle setting, but that's all to be worked out. But other than that, engine start sounds great. I'm thrilled. This is fantastic.